before we get started, picked him up at Costco, several members of Team Boston Uprising. They play Overwatch. They took me on a tour. I helped them with like a little bit of their Costco stuff because they stocked up. Got this gnarly mansion in LA, and we like drive into the gate. He's like, "Would you like to take a tour?" I'm like, "Hell yeah!" Real serious business they're doing in there. There was huge screens everywhere. There's gamers everywhere. They have like a coaching room. So cool what they're doing, and it's so cool like all the different ways we can make money nowadays. But I just wanted to tell you guys about that. And oh hey, if you guys from Boston Uprising are watching this, like I have some video from the trip. Like I'd be down to make a video. I should have asked you guys. What's up, Uber fam? First of all, represent these guys. I love this guy in this video. I love guys like the guy in this video. They make your job so much more fun. And I mean, honestly, this guy's a true gentleman. This girl, okay, in the video that honks at me, you'll see what I'm talking about. I didn't even get into her lane. Like I put on my signal, I looked, and I started to move a little bit, and I saw her right away. There's a car. I'll let her go by first, and then I'll get over. And instead, she just stopped and held her horn down. And at that point, I'm like, okay, well, I'll just get in front of you then. But in LA, this is the rule. If you could fit, if you can make it, if you can go, you just go. This is a funny video. Check it out.
I don't have any kids.
You're lucky.
Yeah.
That's my fourth. Their state management, LA. We had a party at Rocco's in WeHo last night, bro. You know Rocco's?
Rocco's?
Yeah, it's in all the newspapers today. Max did it, and it was the party of the year.
Damn.
Right, Max?
I missed it. I missed the party of the year.
If you at least drove us yesterday, you would have been invited.
Damn. Go model scouting.
Yeah, no, I
Go look
hang out with them for 3 days, and they mess my head up so much I got to get away.
Got a detox?
Not yet. I'm going to tell you, the stewardesses or whoever they are, if there isn't a pretty one on the plane, they're going to be in awe and be in trouble tonight. Because I love the red eyes because everybody sleeps, and I'm the one up watching TV and playing music and waking all their asses up. Atlantis is the water park in Nassau. But the coast.
He's mad.
I just gave him the big bird for you.
Nice
Hey.
dog.
Oh! How are you? Jillian?
Perfect.
You're not Jillian? Is that Fifi? Oh, it's so good.
Damn.
Bitch. Look, she loves me. Right? Hey, your dog wants my number. I'm a pet sitter. If it's a boy, I'll rub his pee-pee.
Oh, shit.
She's still laughing. Right? Oh my God, he stuck his tongue in her mouth.
Oh, wow. Kinky.
She don't have a boyfriend. You know that. She don't have a girlfriend either.
Or she wouldn't be so angry.
No, the dog wouldn't be licking her, her girlfriend would. You see that?
Yeah. That's how it's done.
Didn't she look like Jillian?
Like Barbary?
We have a friend, they have a friend named Jillian.
Oh, okay.
And she has a little Fifi dog, or a different dog, so. Have you talked to my daughter since she landed? Gulfstream 500, GS 500 flying to Cabo.
No way.
To stay in
I just dropped off an Australian girl that's going to Cabo in the morning.
Was she pretty?
Yeah.
Aussie girls are cool.
Yeah.
Aussie boys are a little dirty.
This morning, I woke up and it said there was a problem with your documents. And I don't know if you guys remember, but I just cussed Uber out like on 5 phone calls a few days ago, and I'm just like, oh shit. Like, I'm effed. And then I open Lyft and it won't open. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what's going on? And then I try to open my YouTube analytics and that wouldn't open. And I'm just like, oh my whole life is falling apart. And it turns out it was just the router. I had to reset the router. And then the document thing, though, was weird with Uber. I updated my registration document back in November. And then all of a sudden, randomly yesterday, it said there was a problem with my document. So I uploaded the same picture of the same document, and then they approved it. So that was weird. Love you guys. Do the thing. Ring my bell, all that stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Slave on.